In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Lovable Dev Plan. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to complete your payment confidently. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Lovable Dev. This is the fastest way to get to the right place without memorizing a URL. When the results appear, take a second to verify you're heading to the official site. Look for the correct domain and a secure connection indicator in your address bar. Avoid sponsored links that don't match the brand's domain. Click the correct result to open the Lovable Dev site. Once you're on the home page or app landing page, locate the Sign In option, typically at the top right. Click Sign In and enter your usual credentials. If you're already signed in, you should see your dashboard or account menu right away. If the site prompts for an extra verification step, just follow the on-screen instructions to continue securely. With your account open, find the Upgrade to Pro option. This is often visible on the dashboard banner, sidebar, or within the account or billing section. If you're on a smaller screen, you might need to open the main menu to see it. Click Upgrade to Pro to start the plan selection process. Next, choose a plan that fits your needs: Pro, Business, or Enterprise. Each plan offers different features and limits, so take a moment to review what's included and how it aligns with your team size, usage, and goals. You can usually toggle between monthly and annual billing if that's offered, and annual plans often provide better value. Confirm you're selecting the correct workspace or account, then click Upgrade to continue. You'll now be guided through payment. Follow the prompts in the secure checkout, which may use a service like Link to speed things up. Enter your billing details carefully, including your email for receipts, your billing name and address if requested, and your preferred payment method. Double-check the plan name, billing frequency, currency, and total before you submit. If there's a field for tax information or a promo code, add it now. When everything looks correct, confirm the payment. After processing, you should see a confirmation message and be redirected back to Lovable Dev. Your account should now reflect the upgraded plan, and the new features and limits will be available. If the page doesn't update immediately, try a quick refresh. Keep your receipt email for your records, and if anything doesn't look right in billing, reach out to support from within your account. That's it. Your Lovable Dev plan is upgraded and ready to go.